especially when it's a design degree and people say, you just draw, what is there to be tired of? When design is 90% computer work and you have to spend 10 plus hours on 3D software burning your eyes out.
And that is in case you don't have any problems or you just work in only one software, which for me it's definitely not the case because I work in 3D softwares too and my computer cracks because of that. It's a nightmare. But that's beside working in Photoshop and doing all the work when it comes to finding inspiration and everything that's behind the creative process.
Don't forget about your spine. Don't forget about your posture. A lot of the time you just forget that you need to eat or drink water or just go to the bathroom, and you realize that when your bladder almost explodes. Let's not talk about these things because, well, you're just sitting at a desk and you are designing the entire day. It's not that easy, especially when you need to be creative for those 10 hours. Even if it's for 8 hours, to be creative for that long every day, it's a struggle. You need breaks, you need time to think, you need to just be with your thoughts in order for the ideas to actually come to you. And when an idea comes, it's in two scenarios. Either you are in the shower or on the toilet, or you want to go to sleep. And you cannot go to sleep because if you go to sleep, you will forget the idea. So you need to at least put the idea on paper or record something in order for that idea to not be sent to the oblivion by the next day.
And beside all of that, I also have to sketch and put my ideas on paper, think of textiles and how to manipulate the fabric in order to be exactly how I imagine it to be, because not all of the time basic fabrics can do the magic that I want them to do. And then we add patterning and tailoring and sewing, sometimes with a machine, sometimes by hand, sometimes embroidering. And that's the life of being a fashion designer that creates an entire product, not just standing at a desk with my eyes in a computer.
And don't even get me started on productivity when it comes to being creative and being in a creative industry. Let's talk about that in another video.